Hi, I'm Laurence Martin from Black Swan Training Solutions. We bridge the gap between people and their IT. And we know how to get IT to work for your business. IT is an everyday tool that everyone uses. So it's essential that it's used effectively for the smooth running of your business, helping it thrive and grow. We make a difference in two ways: training and software development. We can train your staff how to better understand Excel, Word, Google and the others, so they're working effectively, quickly and accurately. Building on our expertise in those programs, we can create new systems for you, whether it's dashboard, automating a time-consuming, labour-intensive task, or developing an entire application for you. And all these things will save you time and money, making your business more competitive. And we'll do it all with the attitude of a trainer, enthusiastic and can-do. But we don't just jump in and out in a day. We recognise that every person is an individual and every business is unique. So we'll make time to understand how they work, so we can focus on your needs and make sure your requirements are met. So if you want your IT to work harder for you, get in touch with us today.